Now let us see the second part of the derivation, that is the shape of the loaded cord and the length of the cable. See, in order to find the shape of the loaded cord, we will take summation h equal to 0 and summation v equal to 0 in the above diagram. See, we had this diagram, okay? So in this diagram, first of all, apply summation h equal to 0. So total rightward force is equal to total leftward force. So t cos theta equal to h. So summation h equal to summation equal to 0, which implies that t cos theta equal to h. इसको हमने ले लिया equation number 1. Now in that diagram we will apply summation v equal to 0. See, when we will apply summation v equal to 0, either we can take upward as positive or negative, or we can take downward as positive or negative. So in this derivation we have taken downward forces as positive and upward forces as negative. आप कुछ भी sign ले लो, answer will come out to be the same. So we have taken downward forces as positive and upward forces as negative. See in this diagram we have three vertical forces. So one is your VA, okay, and one is your VA, second is your T sine theta, and third is your UDL. So see, and one more thing, T sine theta and UDL are acting in the downward direction, while VA is acting in the upward direction. So see, come to the derivation, summation V equal to 0. So T sine theta and UDL are acting in the downward direction. So these two will be positive. So plus T sine theta plus. See, now convert UDL into load. So W into length was X. So plus W into X. VA was acting in the upward direction. So minus VA, this equal to 0. So you will get T sine theta equal to VA minus WX. Now we know the value of VA. VA is WL by 2 minus VX. Now divide equation 2 by equation number 1. So equation number 2 को equation number 1 से divide किया आपने. So T sin theta upon T cos theta equal to WL by 2 minus WX upon capital H. So sin theta upon cos theta will be tan theta, and this will become like this. See, tan theta ko we can also write it as dy by dx, because we know that slope dy by dx is equal to tan theta. So we can write tan theta as dy by dx equal to this. Now this is a small value of the y. So in order to get the full value of y, we will integrate the whole equation, that is the integration of dy by dx. So this equal to 1 upon h. See, WL by 2 is constant, so constant का integration will be x minus W को बाहर ले लिया आपने, x का integration will be x square by 2. Now we can write this equation like this. इसके बाद आप h की वैल्यू को पुट कर दो यहाँ पे. So the value of capital H was WL square by 8h. When you will solve this, you will get the value of y as 4hx upon L square into L minus x. See, now if you see that you will find that this equation is of the equation of the parabola. So therefore the shape of the cable is a parabola. So you have to keep in mind that whenever a cable is subjected to a UDL, the shape of the cable is a parabola. See, now we have to find the length of the cable. See, if you want to find the length of the cable, so ये हमने एक आपका rough sketch draw कर लिया यहाँ पे. So this is your cable A and B. The horizontal length is L. Suppose the small curved length of this cable is ds. Okay, suppose this ds length of the cable is making an x intercept of dx and y intercept of dy. Okay, see, you must have studied in maths that dx upon dx equal to under root 1 plus dy by dx ka whole square. Now we will expand this term binomially. So expanding this term binomially and neglecting the higher terms. See, binomial theorem ka this is your formula: a plus b to the power n equal to summation of k equal to 0 to n n c k a n minus k b k. Okay, so see, now we have 1 plus x square to the power अंडर रूट को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, हाफ. सो यहाँ पे n की वैल्यू क्या है आपकी, हाफ है. So dy by dx is suppose dy by dx का whole square is suppose x. See, when we expand this term 1 plus x to the power n binomially, then we get this term. So we have to ignore the higher terms x square, x cube, x4. So you will get the expansion of 1 plus x to the power n equal to 1 plus nx. So we can write it as ds upon dx. See, ds upon dx, this equal to, see, 1 plus nx. सो 1 प्लस n क्या था आपका, इसकी वो पावर क्या थी आपकी, हाफ थी. सो प्लस हाफ इंटू x, और x क्या था आपका, dy by dx का होल स्क्वायर. सो आई कैन राइट ds by dx इक्वल टू दिस 1 plus half dy by dx का होल स्क्वायर. See, now going further for the analysis. See, we know that y is equal to this 4hx upon L square into L minus x. Now multiply x inside, you will get 4h upon L square into Lx minus x square. Now differentiate y with respect to x. So dy by dx equal to 4h upon L square is a constant, so it will remain the same. Into Lx का differentiation will be L minus x square का differentiation will be 2x. Now put the value of dy by dx in this equation, which we found on this ds by dx equal to this equation. So in this equation, put the value of dy by dx. So you will get something like this. Now do the square thing. So you will get the value of by dx equal to this. See, ds is the small length of the cable. So if I want to get the total length of the cable, I will just have to integrate it from 0 to L. Integrate ds under the limits 0 to L. So ds, so put the value of ds. So dx की अंदर मल्टीप्लाई हुई 1 से, so it will become dx. So ये आपने अलग कर लिया, इसको आपने अंदर मल्टीप्लाई किया, you will get something like this. And now integrate, you know how to integrate. Now after integration, you will get the total length of the cable as capital L equal to small l plus 8h square plus 3l.